Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see if you purchase iPhone 16 Pro, which camera setting is the best. Answer is here. You can watch entire video and fix iPhone 16 Pro best camera setting. So now let's start as a demonstration. Simply first of all, I will show you the open the camera. Inside the camera, you can see here some of the features. They are really added here or not, like time lapse, slow motion, cinematic, video, photo, portrait and spectral. Now we go back, come to the setting, search here the camera. Here is the camera and look at this here, top of the screen. So just simply enter here first option, camera control. Inside the camera control, clean preview. We already always follow this one, clean preview. And lens camera, single click or double click. Of course everyone going to single click. Choose a gesture, open the camera app. So here different features they are providing: camera, code scanner, Instagram and magnifier. So we select here camera because of Apple are introducing new button on the body of iPhone, so we are go with camera. Go back, first option, next option, standard. So we just simply open here camera, and here top of the screen some features is available, like this photo is automatically changed if you scroll anything, and tone and colors also coming in top of the screen, like 100, -100 and something. So you can decide which one you want, and then after record the video or clicking the picture. Important setting comes here, the record video. Click here record video. So look at this here, bunch of new features they are introducing compared to last year. So we are selecting here 4K at 120 frame per second because of I love these features. I just simply use here 4K at 120 frame per second. After I choose this setting and record the video quality is amazing. Show PLS format, of course I enable PLS format, enhanced stabilization, action mode, lower light, SDR. So I enable all feature of this. Auto FPS. So here the same features previous year also are available. So I select here auto 30 and 60 frame per second. Camera lock, it's don't automatically switch between camera while recording. We need disable this one, no need to lock the camera. Lock white balance, of course we are recording on this one, toggle on. Go back, next setting, record slow motion video. Record slow motion video, previous year just SD 110 pixel SD and 120 frame per second is available, just only this. But this year they are introducing 4K at 120 frame per second. That one is really amazing. So we select this one. Record cinematic or record cinematic point of view, you choose which one you want, but my point of view is the biggest advantage to use record cinematic is 4K at 30 frame per second. Go back here and record sound. In record sound they are introducing 3 different features. First one is a spectral audio. Last year is a stereo and mono is available. If you select a spectral audio, so wind noise reduce option is enabled here. If you select here mono, the option is not coming. So we just simply select here spectral audio, allow audio playback, wind noise reduction. So I use this setting. You should also try. Next format is very important. Always I select high efficiency or most compatibility, so I go with high efficiency. Photo capturing, click here in the photo capturing. So we select here 20 frame per second. So we select here 24 megapixel. Go back, and here ProRAW and resolution control. So we need enable this one. If you enable, so here Pro default is coming. If you click here, so here different lenses and different megapixel camera is coming here. So fusion camera they are introducing this year, the last one. Previous year just only 48 and 12 megapixel, but they are introducing this year ProRAW max up to 48 megapixel. So we go with this, and here the which one you select. So I go with here JPEG lens. I just simply select here JPG most compatibility. Go back here and scroll down. So here this is the most popular format of Apple. Enable this one, and pre-roll encoding, you always select HDR? No, you always select log, because of log is a video format, retain more information in the file. So we select here log, go back here. So this is a format setting and you choose this setting and receive amazing feedback. Preserve setting. Inside the preserve setting, first time if you purchase the phone, so this all setting is a disable, so you need to enable all setting, because of all setting is very important, each and every setting to use your video and photo. So camera mode comes here, last mode such as a video, rather than automatically reset a phone, control menu, photography style, if you use this one, so different types of content you can capture and record the video. So this is a all toggle you can enable. Go back here and here use volume up for burst, so definitely I go with enable. Next one, scan QR code. Always if some QR code is available on image, so you can scan this QR code. Show detected text, so enable. Grade, level, mirror front camera, view outside the frame, of course enable. Fusion camera, so here fusion camera they introducing one more this year, 35 frame per second. If you disable this one, so all is gone, so we can enable this one, 28 and 35 frame per second. So we just simply select here large one, default to 35 frame per second, use the camera. Go back here, portraits in photo mode I always on, portrait size, fast shooting, lens correction and micro control I enable always. You can fix this setting and enjoy your 16 Pro camera. After that you can record the video and capture the photo and put it me on comment section what is your review. If you really like this camera setting for iPhone 16 Pro, so please hit the bell icons, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.